second day, you see these containers or tanks starting using rail transportation. I never saw them before, but now they are filling the Union Pacific. What are they? I have no idea, but that is a new thing, a new customer or a new economy, a new trend. EXXU, EXSIF. What do they have in it? I cannot even tell. You can see now we have a lot of them. So here you can read the economy. That's one here, that is one here, a lot of them here. They are 20, I think 20 feet long. Yeah, almost half. They are not long. So that's why they occupy. This is in the wrong place. This place here was supposed to be for 53 feet long. Here is one, here is one. They are filling the place. Very soon, Union Pacific will have no place for containers. I'm not sure if that is because of California fire or that is a new customer or a new trend. What is it? Well, yeah, it will never end. We never saw that before. Gross weight is 36,000, like 80,000. This container here has 80,000. So this container is as heavy as my truck, 80,000 pounds. The tier is 42,000 when it's empty. The payload is almost 70,000. Oh my goodness, that takes a lot. It is temperature controlled. You see a thermometer here. How is that? You have to have an engine to cool it. That sign, I don't know what that sign means. The orange sign. I don't know what the company means. SIMC tank. We're learning. But you can tell there is a new trend in rail transportation. Somebody is liking it.